Honda's new CB1000 Hornet SP would seem to have everything one could ask for. Powered by a snarly 155 horsepower engine tuned for superbikes. Equipped with Öhlins top-tier TTX36 rear shock absorber and Brembo Stylema brakes. It offers amenities like a quickshifter, auto-blipping downshifts, and extensive electronic rider aids. Incredibly, all this performance and kit comes at a bargain price of just £9,999. Now that surely sounds too good to be true. But is it actually enjoyable to ride? Where the previous CB1000 R model featured an overhead steel frame, the new Hornet uses a twin-spar design. This brings some useful characteristics, such as 70% increased lateral stiffness for enhanced cornering stability. Moreover, it permits the airbox to sit atop the engine for optimal airflow into the throttle bodies. The engine's rear is rubber-mounted, with a short wheelbase and a forward-biased 51.2% per 48.8% weight distribution, thanks to engine, shock, battery, and airbox placement towards the front. When we first tested the newer generation CB750 Hornet years ago, one element that instantly stood out was its razor-sharp steering and quick direction changes, traits shared by the CB1000. Credited to the compact wheelbase, front-end weight bias, and use of a slimmer 180-section rear tire instead of a fatter 190. Remarkably, despite being so lithe through turns, it lacks any sacrifice in stability. Even under heavy acceleration over bumps or when ringing the handlebars from lock to lock, the Honda remains solid as a rock. The base CB1000 Hornet packs combine traction and wheelie control, engine braking management, rider modes, ABS, and fully adjustable Showa forks. The SP takes it up a notch with its fully adjustable Öhlins shock, Brembo Stylema calipers, up/down quickshifter, and striking black and gold livery.